Whenever a problem occurs at a customer site, Linde engineers are on call to offer support. Since every production interruption causes financial loss for Linde and the customer, it's highly important that fast and reliable help is provided on demand. Thanks to smart glasses, the Linde digitalization team optimized Linde's excellent customer support. Remote support is the immediate response to our customer's problem. By using smart glasses, Linde engineers and experts, wherever they are located, are able to see exactly the same as the operator on site and can guide the repair process comprehensively. The Linde engineer can even send additionally required information such as plans or graphics directly to the smart glasses. The right information at the right time, even from miles away. Thanks to the Linde remote support, production interruptions can be minimized and a consistent plant operation is ensured.